Hello, my name is Guillaume. I'm a Canadian pension actuary and the author of the Actuarial Excel Addin. The Actuarial Excel Addin adds functionalities to Excel workbooks to perform simple and complex actuarial valuation of pension plans and pension plan administration tasks like calculation of benefits, preparation of benefit statements, and preparation of annual statements. Since 2005, the add-in has been used by actuaries and pension plan administrators. Trial of the actual Excel add-in is available for free at the address appearing on screen. Welcome to this video, part of a growing series of tutorials. So let's turn off the camera and start the tutorial. I hope to see you there. Welcome to this tutorial on the Actuarial Excel Addin statistics functions. Aside from the CIA function that is covered in a separate tutorial, there are 8 statistic functions to assist Canadian pension actuaries and pension plan administrators in their day-to-day activities, returning information for prescribed actuarial assumptions for actuarial valuation and benefit calculation, Income Tax Act limits for pension arrangements, and government pension plans parameters, including contributions and pensions. The statistics are updated monthly. The AND-proxy function returns the prescribed assumption at a specific date to evaluate the solvency liability of pension and payments. Daily statistics, updated monthly, are available. The function parameters are a date and a code. Codes 1 to 10 return the interest rates assumption to evaluate both unindexed and fully indexed pensions. Codes 11 to 16 return the mortality assumptions, including the mortality table and projection scale. And finally, codes 17 and 18 return the information on the CIA document establishing the guidelines. The market quote function returns end-of-the-month financial market statistics relevant to pension funds. These statistics can be used to evaluate a pension fund's benchmark performance given its investment policy. The month-end statistics are updated monthly. The function parameters are a date and a code. In all, 31 financial market indices are available. 4 exchange rates for the Canadian dollar, 5 Canadian bonds indices from the FTSE Russell, 5 T-bill indices from the FTSE Russell, and 17 stock market indices, including 2 for the S&P TSX, 2 for the S&P 500, and 13 MSCI indices like World Index, EFI, Emerging Market, Small Cap, etc. The tax stat function returns Canadian Income Tax Act limits in a given year for registered pension plan and other registered pension arrangements. These information are used to establish maximum pensions or contributions in a given pension arrangement. The yearly statistics are updated annually, and the function parameters are a year and a code. The CPI and AWE functions are similar and both return monthly statistics from Statistics Canada. CPI returns the Consumer Price Index information, and AWE returns the average weekly earnings information. This information has several uses, including calculating the indexation of pensions or helping to determine actuarial assumptions. The month-end statistics are updated monthly, and the function has 5 parameters: year, month, code, increase, and province. Only year and month are required. Default value for code is 1, which returns the year-month index. Default value for indexation is false, and I will explain it later. And the default value for province is CA for Canada. Code 1 returns the actual index for the month. Code 2 returns the ratio of current index divided by previous year index. Code 3 returns the 12-month average of indices ending at year-month. Code 4 returns the ratio of 12-month average over previous year 12-month average. And the increase parameter is used in conjunction with codes 2 and 4 exclusively. And if set to true, will return the increase instead of the ratio. Its default value is false. And by default, province is CA for Canada, but the 10 provinces CPI and AWE statistics are also available. The OAS function returns information on the old age security program in a given year. This information has several uses, including projecting OAS pension at retirement, in the preparation of an annual pension statement. The information are updated quarterly as OAS pensions are indexed quarterly. The function's parameters are year and code. Code 1 returns the first quarter OAS maximum monthly pension for a person retiring at age 65. Code 2 returns the second quarter pension. Code 3, the third quarter pension. And Code 4, the fourth quarter pension. Finally, Code 5 returns the OAS recovery threshold for the year. The CPP and QPP functions return information on the Canada and Quebec pension plans for a given year. This information has several uses, including calculating contributions to the government programs, projecting government pension at retirement, calculating registered pension plan pension coordination with either YMPE or government pension. The yearly information are updated annually, and the function has two parameters, year and code. Code 1 will return the YMPE, or yearly maximum pensionable earnings. Code 2 will return the maximum pension for a person retiring at age 65 during the year. Code 3 returns the basic exemption in calculating the contributions to the government program. Code 4 returns the basic employee contribution rate. Code 5 returns the maximum employee contribution in dollar during the year. Code 6 returns the improved YMP, which will kick in 2024 with a 7% increase and will reach its maximum in 2025 with another 7% increase. Code 7 returned the first supplemental employee contribution rate, which was implemented in 2019 and will reach its maximum in 2024. And Code 8 returns the second supplemental employee contribution rate, which will kick in 2024. And finally, Code 9 returns the pension indexation rate applied on January 1st for pensions in payment. A cheat sheet for the 8 statistic function is available on the Actuarial Excel Addin website in the tutorial section. I hope the tutorial showed you how the Actuarial Excel Addin statistic function can help you in your day-to-day work. Every Actuarial Excel Addin function is linked to online help. Just open the dialog box and click on Help on this function.